welcome back to another Declutter series episode. This is episode 5 or video 5, however you like to call it, of my Declutter series, and today we're going to be doing a declutter of my dresses and jumpsuits. So I'm going to just go through them all. I will try a few on, and obviously you can just watch me as I'm decluttering and organising my currently neat wardrobe, which you can probably have a look just there. It's looking all neat and tidy. I am really looking forward to this one. So this is one of the last videos I'll be doing for my wardrobe, and then we'll start moving on to the chest of drawers, and then hair, makeup, accessories probably at a later stage, but not tonight because this is my 5th video of the day. Some serious dedication here. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I've organised all my dresses and I've got rid of a few. So there's that dress which doesn't fit me anymore, so I think it's time to let that go. And a few dresses that I no longer want in my wardrobe. I don't think I'll be wearing them ever. So this is what I've got left. So I've got kind of like workwear, summery wear, a bit more night out / evening type dress. Then I've got kind of more smart dresses, but obviously dresses to go out in. And then I've got my obviously play suits and jumpsuits and my summer dress at the back. So that is my dresses. And that's my wardrobe all sorted. I'm quite happy with that. That was my final wardrobe declutter video, I would say. I've got like scarves and hats and stuff that I need to sort out. I won't do those in a video because there's just not enough. I'm so happy with how everything's looking. Now all I need to do is figure out where I'm going to put my wedding dress. I need to get it cleaned and probably boxed up, so I need to find a place that will do that and do it at a reasonable price. I'm just going to bag up the rest of my clothes that I'm not keeping, that I might try and sell, and I'll show you everything that I've put into a bag today. So these are all the bags that I'm getting rid of. That's clothes, shoes. So those 2 bags of clothes there. Some hats that I'm going to try and sell, and this bag is full of shoes and bags. So that is just my wardrobe. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, found it useful and got inspired to obviously sort your wardrobe out. I'm so proud of how mine looks right now. Let's hope it lasts. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!